I'm gonna count down to 0, okay? And then you can take them off.
Do you look
5,
this way?
4, 3, 2, 1. Take them off.
Where are we?
Read it.
But we haven't. What?
We're staying here tonight.
We're staying here tonight.
Wait, we are?
Yes. Look behind
Turn
you.
behind you.
What do you mean?
That's water slides coming out.
But we don't have a bag packed.
We got
Look
your
in the
back.
back.
Look in the back.
Wait, well, we see if. No way!
Way.
Thank you. No! Oh my goodness! Sydney, you're like.
Or would you rather go to the zoo?
No, I want to stay here.
But I was kind of excited to see the kangaroos.
Well, this is so much fun. Whoa! Hey!
It's gonna be so much fun.
We're packed and everything.
Yes. You got your swimsuits. You got towels. You got
Wait,
everything we
did
need.
we get our new swimsuits?
Did you bring your ones? You
I
did.
did.
We get to use our new swimsuits.
Well, let's go check it out. See what it's about.
Yay!
Let's do it.
Oh wait, hold on. All right.
My camera's gotta get
Wait,
this.
hold on. I'm still a little shocked here.
Whoa. Oh, that totally surprised me. Oh, my dress. Come on.